Cartridge Clean and Renew is a powerful formula that removes scale, minerals, dead algae, body oils, and other debris to help your filter work at its best. When you notice a decrease in your filter's flow rate, it might be time for a clean. First, turn off your filter and carefully remove the DE or cartridge filter element. Start by rinsing off any loose debris. In a 5-gallon plastic container, mix 4 ounces of Cartridge Clean and Renew with 1 gallon of water. Place the filter element in the solution, ensuring it's fully submerged. If the element isn't entirely covered, rotate the cartridge to make sure the entire cartridge is bathed in the solution. Allow the cartridge to soak for at least 2 hours for the best results. Remove the cartridge from the solution and rinse thoroughly. If your filter element was heavily soiled, a second application might be necessary. Once cleaned, put the cartridge back, restart your filter, and you're good to go. If you have any questions about this formula for your filter cleaning needs, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.